Hello, Andrew here, and in this video we're going to do a quick video on how to replace the cartridges on the Filteroo. So first things first is you will have a cartridge in your Filteroo that needs to be replaced, and you would have ordered another cartridge for your Filteroo. So in this one here we have the Doulton cartridge, and I'm going to just replace it with the Ultra Ceram cartridge. Super simple process, anyone can do it, and I'll just run you through it right now. So just so you know, if you've got a 12 litre or a 10 litre, the process is exactly the same, nothing to worry about. I'm just going to do it here on the 12 litre just so you can see. So the first step is we're going to have to take the cartridge out of the Filteroo. So I'm just going to put this down here, and you'll see inside here the old cartridge. And the first step is that we're going to have to get this out. So I'm going to grab something so that I don't have to touch the cartridge. So I'm going to grab the bubble wrap that was on the outside of that cartridge, and I'm going to use that to hold the cartridge so I can get to the bottom. And we're just going to undo this cartridge like this, pull the cartridge out, just put this down, and if this is an old cartridge, you just throw this away, but this is not an old cartridge, so I'm just going to put it back in this box right here. Alright, and we get the new cartridge. So Ultra Ceram, fantastic cartridge, got great test results. A little bit stuck in the box here. 1 second, I'll just get it out. There she is. Comes in another box as well, keeps them nice and safe. It's also got a nice bubble wrap plastic around it, so keeps it nice and safe, but you can use it also to install the cartridge. So I'll just pull it up. So just in the same way that we took the cartridge out, we want to use this to put the cartridge in. Now it'll have a washer on the inside of the nut, so you want to leave the washer on, and if it comes not on when you get it in the box, just put the washer on so that it's on before you stick it into the top tank. So we're going to pick up the top tank now. So I'm just going to pick this top tank up. You want to stick it through the hole like that, and then just screw the nut on. Simple as that. It's just super easy. You want to tighten it just so that you've got a good firm grip on it, so you can't push it any further by hand. So just hand tighten it, that's enough. You don't want it to be loose enough that the water can get around the nut, because then you're not filtering the water properly. But as long as you've got the nut on with a good nice hand tightening, you'll be fine. So once it's done, the candle's in. Once the candle's in, you're just going to put the top tank in the bottom tank. Now when you get a cartridge, you're going to want to flush it. So to flush the cartridge, you're just going to want to pour about 3 top tanks worth of water through the candle, and then all that water is going to fall into the bottom tank. You can use that water on your garden or anything that you want to do, but there'll be a bit of black carbon come through it because these have got carbon on the inside of these candles. Once you've done that, you can just fill it up, let the water come through, and put the lid on and put it back to wherever you have your beautiful Filteroo, and you're done. So I hope that helps. That's how to change the cartridge for the Filteroo. Enjoy.